Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clear cache in Capcut app and free up space. So in case you have a trouble in your Capcut application, such as a slow responding or a crash, you need to clear cache first. You have to free up the space. So make sure you are in the edit page and tap the setting button at the top of your screen and scroll down this one, clear cache. As you can see, I only had a 2 megabyte of clear cache because I don't have any big project. So in case you do have a lot of project, this cache will be bigger in number. So you can clear up, tap confirm, and cache cleared. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video.